If you ever had any issues getting chalk residue off a chalkboard, just keep watching this video and I'll show you how to remove those irritating. Yesterday I found these two beautiful frames from the Goodwill for $8. In this video, I'll show you how I got additional residue off of these fabulous chalkboards that were purchased initially from Hobby Lobby, and I got them. Nothing is on this rag. I'm just going to try to wipe it clean. And you see how it's not coming clean? Like, there's still residue. You could at least read today, 3 exclamation points. I can't. Routine, resist, something. Okay, so that's just with the cloth. It's like a little damp. Nothing is on it. But when I was looking at the back of the board, because I was trying to get the weight for the nails, excuse me, I read that for best results, use window cleaner. Now, I mean, window cleaner, glass cleaner. Looks like a window to me in the background. So I'm just going to spray it. And I got that from Dollar Tree. Oh my. You see that? Now you can't just do a light rub. You gotta like, hold on. You have to get in there. Today is completely gone. I'm working on everything that we can hardly see. So if today was the most visible and we are not able to see it anymore, I'm sure I can get the rest off. Let's get this chart off. See this chart? I got this from the Goodwill. But this mirror actually originated from Hobby Lobby, which I love Hobby Lobby. Oh my goodness. Wow, it worked. Who would have thought the multi-purpose use of glass cleaner? Let's get these edges over here. And the chart is pretty much invisible at this point. There's more scrubbing. So you see I'm not just doing like a light rub. I am practically scrubbing with this cloth. The only difference I would do if I was to do this again, well, when I do it again, is to not spray the board directly. Wow, this freaking worked. Reading is fundamental. There's a little marking down there. I wonder if we can get that off. These corners. It looks like a little sunshine was in this corner. You can tell that this purple is not the original color of this board. First off, this is a dead giveaway. Which I don't mind, it's something minor. For this board to have retailed for $84 and for me to get it for $4, I don't complain about a thing. Oops. Well, first off, it's clear that this works. And I have another chalkboard that I'm going to use this on. Let's see, what are these? What's this streak right here? Someone probably gave it away because they couldn't get that title of the chart off. Wow, it looks so much better now. Let me. Wow. So as a follow-up to get the residual residue off and markings, I just put some dishwashing soap on my rag with water. And I just wanna, I just cut off a piece of chipped off some paint. I hope it doesn't make a little ugly marking. I'm just cleaning the entire board. Right now I'm getting at the surface. I should lay this laying down on the floor, but I don't feel like it right now. So we're gonna see how this board look when ow! That hurt. Nice bath, because anything that you get from the secondhand store, I did clean it yesterday, but when I read that, I thought I just had to live with the, markings that were on here. I didn't think that glass cleaner would get rid of the extra markings. So I did clean this yesterday, but a tip is if you're going to purchase anything, like anything from a secondhand store, you want to clean it down. Sanitize it really well. Like, you don't know who home it came from. You don't know anything pretty much. Ooh, that's cute. Look at. Also, my soap and water trick got the remaining markings off as they took dries. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.